Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to close apps on your iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any of the social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So on all 4 iPhone 14 devices, users can use the gesture navigation to get back to the home screen from any app. So for example, if I open up the Photos app, I can use the gesture navigation to swipe up halfway and get back to the home screen. Now this is the same gesture action which is used to access the app switcher from where the users can close any apps running in the background. So to do this, go ahead and swipe up until the middle, and this will open up the app switcher. Now from here, you can go ahead and close the apps. So to close the app, you want to select the app and swipe up, and that will close the app. Select an app, so the App Store, and swipe up. However, do note, Apple does say you should close an app only if it's unresponsive, meaning it is generally not necessary to close apps manually on the iPhones. In my opinion, I would say if your iPhone feels a bit slow or sluggish, then you should do this action and close the apps manually. By doing this will increase the available memory and speed up your iPhone. So there you go, that is how to close apps on your iPhone 14 Pro Max or the other types of iPhone 14. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.